Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few drinks. 1 for the day that I learned 2 for the bridges you burned 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. Shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So they always send me this little paper. I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, so it says the name is TBA014. The order number is B966. The texture is silky. The length is 12 inches. The color is the same as the picture. I have it in a cap size 2, which is 22.5 inches circumference to 23 inches. Cap construction of this unit is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's 160% density. Now, honey, you can't tell me this ain't bob season, girl. Okay, we in bob season, girl. Okay, I don't care where you at, it's bob season. So, shout out to them for sending me the bob. With this unit, I did not have to bleach the knots. I did not have to tweeze the wig. You already know. Y'all already know how my first wig come through with the come through. Okay, y'all already know. So, there was nothing for me to do, literally, like, but put old girl on my head. And I have been using my new little spray that I keep showing you guys, and y'all, that spray is the truth. Okay, I kid you not, I love this spray. But with this unit, I had, like, it came pre-tweezed, as you guys can see, and like I said, I didn't have to bleach the knots. There's no shedding, there's no tangling, girl. Even flat ironing this was like that. It was super easy. Oh, I swear, my first wig do the best bobs. Like, oh my god, love it. So yeah, the unit came like in a middle part, but I did decide to go ahead and curve it. Like, I was feeling side chickish. It's not like a super deep side part, but I was feeling like I wanted a side part. I wasn't like, I'm just not feeling like being a middle girl today. Okay, I was feeling like a side chick, so I gave myself a side part, a side curve part. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. If you guys watch me do any My First Wig or RPG show or Her Giving Hair, any company that is, I consider more of a luxury brand, I always say that, you know, it's a 13x6, but you're not getting a lot of space on the sides. Like, you're getting it right here. So that is going to be my con. It's my standard con for these units, just because for the most part, y'all, I can't think of now. I'm gonna keep it all, but because I can't think of now, that's just gonna be always my standard con with these units. Moving on. All right, honey, if you know me, then you know the pros are Angel. Child, Angel's not friendly. Anyways, I digress. Now on to my pros. So my pros with this unit is obviously endless. I love the color. I love that this bob is bobbing, honey. Okay, it is 12 inches, and typically I don't like bobs like this because I do have a very short neck. But with their bobs, I don't care what length it is. It is always, the bob is always bobbing, girl. Okay, I typically don't like long bobs because, like I said, not my shortest neck. My neck is short, and they can go from looking like a bob to just like an everyday unit, and I be wanting my bob to bob. But when it comes to their bobs, they're always bobbing. Okay, so I love that. I love that it's pre-tweezed. I love that it doesn't take a whole lot of work. Those are all of my pros, like, with this unit. I can go on and on and on, girl, but you get it. You get it, sis. Okay, like for this part, I feel like we can just keep it moving right along. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. On to the next. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, My First Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style, and we